Welcome back to the channel for another video on our 22 WRX. This week we're going to be installing one of our purchases from Black Friday. I did pick it up from Import Image Racing, so I will have a link in the description below for that part. But let's jump over to the bench and I'll show you what we got today. Let's go. All right, and over here at the bench we have our brand new Verus Engineering hood scoop block off plate. So this is meant for someone that has a front mount intercooler. The guys at Verus Engineering are a lot smarter than me. They have wind tunnel tested and flow tested as far as why this part is going to be useful. So I will also link their video about this part in the description as well. But just to sum up, if you guys didn't want to click on that video, just to sum up real quick, basically when you have a front mount intercooler, air is still entering the engine bay. That is creating a high pressure inside the engine bay, and that is not helping the air go through the front of the car. So the front of the car obviously has our intercooler, our radiator, our condenser. So by having a high pressure inside of the engine bay, it's preventing air from going through, they call it the cooling stack of the car. So by blocking that off, we're going to make it a low pressure inside the engine bay, and it's going to be easier for that air to go right through our front mount, radiator, condenser, and soon our oil cooler. Now, this is a extremely easy install. As you see on the bench, there's only 4 screws that's going to hold it on. And if you already have the black plastic piece off, you see we have 4 screws here too. So it's really just as simple as taking off all 4 of those screws and putting the new ones on with that plate. So I'll just get you guys set up. We'll get it put on real quick, and that'll basically be the end of it. So this is a quick and easy one for this week. So let's get to it. All right, so to get this started, we just have these 4 screws right here, and it is an 8 mil. So we're just gonna zip these off real quick. And the supply bolt, it's a 3 mil Allen. So we'll get these swapped out, get the plate put on, and it'll be that simple. Let's go. So we'll get 1 bolt in to hold it in place, and then we can get the rest on. All right, so she's fully installed. We got the 4 screws put in, and we can check it out now. And dang, I really think that looks cool. The laser etched logo on the left side. Let's get the hood closed. Do a little swing. There we go. That looks really cool. And not only does it look cool, it is functional, like what we talked about before. By having that block off there, that's going to create or promote a lower pressure inside the engine bay. And that's going to help air go directly through the cooling stack to help make everything just work more efficiently. But that's all I got for you guys on this one. Quick and easy install of a functional and good looking part, and very cost effective. So keep that in mind too. This is only like, I think it was only like 70 or 80 bucks for this. Super cost effective, and it's functional. So check all the boxes there. Win, win, win. So that's all I got for you guys on this one. Until next time, we have more parts coming and more stuff to do. See ya.